To place an order, first sign into your account. On the product page, click Add to Cart, then click the cart icon. Adjust any quantities in the cart, then click Checkout. On the checkout page, review the pickup location. Enter a specific pickup date or leave blank for same-day, next-day pickup. A purchase order number is required for online orders. To place the order, click Confirm Order. Once the order has been placed, you'll receive an email confirmation. To pick up your order, go to the online order pickup area, provide your purchase order number, sign for and take your order.